is me. I bet y'all guys are surprised. All right, we're going to get right into it. In here, I have some pigtails, okay? Here are the pigtails. What I did was rinse them off first and then turn around and put them in water, put some vinegar on it, and let it soak for about an hour. I went back and I rinsed them 3 times. So now we are at this point right here. I have my crock pot inserter here, and I'm just going to just lay these in here. I hope all this fits. It sure will. And I make sure there was no, you know, pig hair or whatever on them. If they are, you just scrape them off. Okay. All right, so move this bowl. That's my oven, guys. You hear it. So, when you're making greens, collard greens, or whatever you want to make, pig's feet, chitlins, whatever, that's all you need is this right here. This is all you need. All your flavors and stuff is right in this packet. So go to www.carlissspices.com. So I'm just going to empty this whole pack in here. I do have a version of this right here. Okay, so it's spicy. Right here, what I'm going to do is just take this, my seasoning mix, and I do have, this is the spicy one, guys. It's pretty spicy. So I have a mild version and I have a spicy one. So you just want to sprinkle it all over. That's all you want to do. Make sure that some gets coated. Okay. Smells good. Spicy smells good. Okay, I'm not going to put this whole pack in here, okay? Yeah. I'm going to put the rest of this in my greens. All right, and then I have a cup, 2 cups of water. All right, you're going to put it on the in the slow cooker. You can cook this for about 4 hours, but I might cook mine overnight for about 8 hours, okay? And that's all you have to do, and then I come back and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay guys, I'm back. So I never made pigtails, nor have I ever had pigtails. I guess my granny just didn't make them. But anyway, I cooked these for about 10 hours in the slow cooker, and they are so tender. Look at it. They are really, really tender. Very tender. Look at that. Tender. And the only thing I used was to season them was my chitlin seasoning mix. That's all you need. Okay. I did go back maybe late last night and added another cup of water. They are pretty greasy, I have to tell you that. They are greasy, but I like cooking them in the slow cooker now because I could just let the oil or the grease just drip off. All right? So guys, make this, please. Make this, and make sure that you go to www.carlissspices.com and get your chitlin seasoning mix, okay? There's other products that's on there too as well. You could use this for greens. You can use it for this chitlin, whatever you want to use it for. That's all you need. All right, guys, so here's the finished and the plated product right here. And I paired it with some greens. I'll put the link in the description box on the greens. And here we go. I also paired it with some fried hot water cornbread. So, Miss Smarty Pants, aka Mayhem Beauty, who said it's a little bit too much. So here it is, right here, guys.
That's because your camera dude ain't doing his job.
Well, he's trying, but yeah. Guys, I had some meals made for you guys. 6 wonderful meals. And guess what? The SD card was corrupted. So I have to do it all over again. So I'm glad to be back. I'm glad you guys want me back. Some that did that, when I said did that, requested or asked how I was doing. I appreciate that a lot. So here we are. Here we are. So guys, rate, comment, give me a thumbs up. All of that stuff is free.